Hi, this is GB and GB's Adventures. I am in Reno at the Bbq Brews and Blues Festival, a 2-day event with multiple breweries providing samples and vendors providing food and wonderful things to buy. Virginia Street is shut down through traffic and is entirely devoted to this festival. There are 2 stages and almost continuous music from 3 p.m. till 10 on Friday and noon until 8 p.m. on Saturday. Right now it is the second day, Saturday morning, and the vendors and brewers are preparing their booths for the festivities this afternoon. Soon it will not be this quiet. So sit back and enjoy the festival. It gets loud, the music is awesome, and there's some interesting people.
This is the reason. Now, don't hold this against me. If I don't get the girl from that woman, you know what? I'll be consistent with you. Yeah! How we gonna do it?
every single day. I got a heartache that's coming my way, and I don't wanna say goodbye, baby, but look at the tears in my eyes. Fire and water must have made you feel their daughter. Yeah, I think I'm good. Heartbreak, fire and water must have made you their daughter. You've got what it takes to make a poor man's heart break. A poor man's heart break. Lovely to be here.
Thanks so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, would you please subscribe by clicking on my picture?